We'll just pull the battery out. How's that? Boom. Battery's out. Shut up, controller. Alright. So, we had a crash landing there. And we'll assess for any damage. How's that? Alright. Alright, I think our flying is done for the day. We don't have any more batteries. So, let's shut down the phone, the app. Okay. Close all. Alright. Okay. So at least you're still recording. Come on. Come on. Ah, here we go. We are connected again. Alright. So let's assess. I think this is the Holystone HS700D 4K with 4K camera. I kind of dressed it up. My first drone. For a first drone, I think it seems kind of cool. This is like the third time that I've flown it. The actual first day, they actually took it out for a decent amount of time with 2 batteries. I would say for a first time drone, this would probably be okay. But there's a lot more to be desired on this drone. I'm not an experienced drone flyer, but from what I experienced with this, and compared to other drones that I've seen reviewed on the internet or on YouTube, I probably wouldn't use this for much of anything. I can't really get out too far with it. Can't get very high with it. So we got 10% battery remaining on the camera. Okay, so we should be done with this within that time. I probably will hold on to it for a little while, but I think I'm gonna hook up with the new DJI Mini 3 that's coming out soon, and get the Fly More combo with it. So that's it.